great contribution. How about making the energy still to a great level? Are you all ready?
Yes. Yes.
Perfect. So, respected President, Secretary, guest, and all my Rotary friends here, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to be with you all here and contribute some of my work to you. I'm very much thankful to Pavan Lakhani, my husband, who has always been my powerhouse and support. I'm thankful to Praful Bhai, who has introduced me and given me this opportunity. Thank you so much. So we'll start with, what is energy? According to you, I want some interaction, okay? We'll make it a little more. Okay, so what is energy according to you all? It is the
confidence.
Confidence. What else?
Desire to do something.
Desire to do something. Very good. What else?
It talks about individual willpower.
It talks about individual willpower. So we all have different understanding about what is energy. Okay? But our life is energy. And we don't know from where we are getting this energy. Even if we are sitting in the night with no energy, morning will definitely get up, take bath and will set to our routine work with full force of energy. So where is this energy coming from? So everything, whether it's a living or non-living, everything is made up of matter. And matter and energies are interconvertible. Everybody knows that. Who was the great person who has invented that equation? Do you know that? Fantastic. So Albert Einstein had invented. And how do we define energy here? By the dictionary, it is defined as capacity of physical system to do work. We all are physical entities here and we keep doing work. There are a lot of machines which keeps doing work, right? So it's in the end the capacity of any physical system to do the work. And we all know how is it measured? In joules, calories, kilojoules and kilocalories. Now, anywhere, wherever there is an energy, there is a motion. Okay? So the ability to cause motion and change is energy. Energy is just the ability to do work. So how many different energies you know?
Lots.
Lots. 1 and 2 mention.
Heat.
Heat.
Solar.
Solar.
Physical. Mechanical.
Mechanical energy. Chemical energy. Nuclear energy. So hydro power energy. So many different energies, right? And we are not even understanding the power of this energy, right? Because it's invisible. If anybody has to identify where is energy, we don't know. Correct? Okay. So where is energy in us? Do you know?
Blood.
In the blood? Anybody else?
In the heart.
In the heart? Fantastic. Anybody else?
Brain also.
Mind. Fantastic. So mind is the tool for us. Can you define mind, lady? Where is mind? It's here? Then we were being taught, na? Is it any organ?
No, it's not a brain.
It's yeah, so is it there in the organ, anywhere in the body? No, right? So it is the electromagnetic force which is coming out from our thoughts and feelings. Okay, and we have a 12-inch diameter and covered up all over our body. That is our mind. Okay, mind is 3 types: conscious mind, subconscious mind, superconscious mind. Okay, everybody is aware of what is conscious mind. Yeah? Whatever way our 5 senses do help us, right? And what is the subconscious mind? Anybody knows what is subconscious mind?
Intuition. Visualize something.
Visualize something, intuition or whatever XYZ, that is not. right from the very young age, whatever we keep listening, whatever we keep seeing, whatever we keep, it keeps getting stored in a big basement come 100-story building within us, in those energy layers. That is our subconscious mind. And we hardly operate from the 10% of our conscious mind. 90% is subconscious. So many times there are fears, right? We don't know from where the fears are coming. We get stopped to do what we have to do. We don't know why it is happening. We can't label it, pinpoint it, or say it, oh, because of this. Some people know it. Oh, I have fear of this, I have. But from where it is coming, we don't. If somebody says it's not needed to keep, remove it, we don't know how to remove it. There are so many ways we remain stuck. So what is happening to our energy last time? Our energy gets drained. And our energy gets drained and sucked into the anti-spiral loop. And then one will welcome another 10 guests. With fear, we'll lose confidence. With losing confidence, lack of confidence, we won't perform very well in the work. We won't perform anywhere else. Our relationship may suffer. All that, isn't it? So one thing can cause other 100 such stuff. So let's see. We all know this heat, solar, potential, kinetic, chemical. But have you heard about any other energy? And that is within us. And that is subtle energy, the psychic energy, the intuitive energy, the astral energy, the life force energy. Now whether we call it chi or ki, whether we call it prana, whether we call it energy meridians according to the Chinese people, whether we call it third eye as a intuitive energy, whether we call it spiritual energy. We may sum it up all which is within us as a invisible energy which is allowing us to do something, right? So this Albert Einstein had made E equal to mc square, where E is energy, m is mass and c is the speed of light. But now I am going to make my equation, which is same, E equal to mc square, but E will be here the energetic being V. M is me is mind and emotions. C is the consciousness and C is a choice. So the time when we are going to be taking care of our mind, taking care of our positive state of the emotion, always remaining into that alert state of positive intellectual and positive mental state with positive emotions. With that consciousness, we are going to make a wise choice and we are going to be a infinite energy being, right? So, give a high five to your neighbors and say, you are a positive energy. Come on, to the next person. You are a positive energy. Say that. Say that to aage piche, whoever you can say. Yes. Fantastic. I like this. Okay. Now all of us know what are the 3 laws of conservation of energy. That energy cannot be created or destroyed. Then from where the energy is created within us? Is a question. All of us agree? It is converted from one form to another. So what are we doing that we are converting our energy to something else? Question. The sum total of all energy is constant. Okay. So can any of you can explain where is the energy getting created within us?
My thoughts.
By thoughts. Very good.
By experiences, what we listen to.
By experiences we listen to. So the energies, we have the energy center, like wherever the electricity has to come to our house, where is it first?
Power house.
Power plant. Power plant.
Power plant, right? The same way in our human body, we have the powerful energy centers and those are called as chakras. Okay, and there are 7 major chakras and more than 500 minor chakras. Are you all aware of all this?
This 7 chakras.
You are aware of 7 chakras?
7 chakras. Only 7 chakras.
Only 7 chakras. Fantastic.
Leave the mic. Mic is not working, so you.
Okay. So those 7 chakras are meant for us. What is root chakra? It is at the base of the spine. Whoever would be having more of leg problem, whoever would be having some sort of a family connection problem, survival connection problem, stability connection problem, or children connected, home connected, their root chakra will be weak. And what do? We don't know what to do, right? I'm going to teach you few different tips here, how to balance all your chakras. People who are in Reiki, they would be knowing a different manner, that also. Now, I'm going to take up those also. Before to that, I want to tell you what is duality and what is polarity. Anything which is right, wrong, anything which is good, bad, anything which is black and white, we just know that way, either this manner or that manner, right? Today, let us just accept that is it. Let us not get into the duality. Let us get into the polarity. What is polarity? It's a complementary force that works together to create the balance. See, without the day, the night, both are needed, right? It's not that we have to respect only day and we don't have. Night is equally for our rest, our recharge of the bed, whatever our body gets tired to, right? The same way the day is equally required. But we can't say night is bad or day is bad or like that, right? So when we say that, it becomes duality. But when we accept that and when we accept in a manner, this is also required, this is also required, and that makes it polarity. Got the difference? Okay. So let's talk about how about keeping the house in the form of a very positive energy. So we all ladies love to keep everything neat and tidy, isn't it? Right? Fantastic. And when we don't keep, what happens? Our perfectionist inside keeps getting angry. We keep getting worked up here. We start showing anger to people. We start even showing anger on the while cooking the food, isn't it? होता है ना? आप लोग को भी होता होगा ना, शर्ट नहीं मिला इस्त्री करके, हैंडकरचिप किधर है मालूम नहीं है, सॉक्स एक ही मिला दूसरा नहीं है, होता है ना कभी-कभी लेडीज लोग से, हाँ? Sorry, I didn't hear you well. I didn't hear you well.
यहाँ से आवाज आ रही है।
रोज होता है, रोज होता है।
रोज होता है ना? So we are the ones who create energy in the house. Okay, first. Second, there is a vastu. That also has to be taken care of. Third, the home. Now today if I just put it anything anywhere on the floor, it will look dirty. Now that's a negative energy, right? Normally I've seen lot of families, as soon as they come out, they'll put chappals anywhere. They don't have a system to put chappals inside. Now mostly the key, the Lakshmi ji or whatever you call the positive energy enters from where? From the main door. And main door pe kachra. Main door pe chappal. So what is the first thing which we are supposed to do? Where do we put chappals?
Away from main door.
Away from main door नहीं बोल रही हूँ, लेकिन अगर main door के आगे रखना है तो एक बॉक्स रख दियो. आजकल बहुत अच्छे बॉक्स मिल रहे हैं, आप सीधा उसमें सेट कर दीजिए. That is the first thing which you have to take care. Agreed, ladies?
Yes.
Perfect. Second, whatever kachras, okay, wherever you are going to put it in a covered dustbin. You are going to put it in a plastic bag properly and covered one so that dirty smell doesn't go anywhere. Correct? Third, whenever you want to do any cleaning of the negative energy. So many times we want to sit in some corner only and we don't sit on certain part of the sofa. Agreed? Not agreed?
Yes.
We have some, one specific place where we just sit. So what is it? Why are we connected to that one place? Why are we not connected? So maybe there is a positive energy there and somewhere there is a low energy or negative energy or some sort of energy, proper energy is missing there. So we are not doing that. So what do? First thing, we clean up the floor with the sea salt. Every day whenever you all are doing pota, fatta, whatever you call it, put little sea salt and clean the floor every day with the sea salt. Sea salt has got a lovely tendency to remove negative energy. The second is lemon, which has got a powerful frequency which can take away your negative energy. Like so many people put that limbu mirchi in the car, on the door. So many people remove nazar with that nimbu. I know there is some logic behind it, right? We don't want to get into the very deeper part, but we can remove even nazar of the house with the nimbu. What we have to do? Intention. Just intention that all the negative energy is going out of my house. That's it. Clear? Come on, give a high five to your neighbors. I'm going to create a positive energy in my house. Say with the intention. Intention matters, mind matters. I'm going to create a positive energy in the house. Everybody has to contribute. Perfect, I love that. I'm not seeing everybody doing it. I'm not seeing the ladies doing it. Do it again.
Ladies are busy at
I'm going to create positive energy in the house. Okay, so whatever you all are hearing, you'll have to do some contribution at home. Okay, then what else? Any windows, any glasses. Okay, take water, take salt, put lemon juice, and put ammonia or what do you call it? Any other thing which can really, white vinegar, ammonia and white vinegar, and clean up the window panes. That will take care of the dirty energy from the home. Most important, you must be all having that country. Okay, you have to keep bringing to whichever energy which is low in energy. The whatever that unseen dark energies from the house will go away. Every evening you will have to ring that small bell. Okay, if you have those nice Chinese Tibetan balls, you can start doing that. Also, you can put Om mantra always on going. Om has got a very good power. Okay, would you like to create some better energies in you? Can we do 5 times Om the way I say it?
Please.
Fantastic. Okay, so just put both your feet on the ground. We are not going to say Om, we are going to say A, U, Ma. The A will uplift the energies of the lower portion, U will clear up and uplift the energy of the center portion, and Ma will take care of the spiritual energies upliftment. Alright? So we are going to start doing from that. Okay? So close your eyes, take a deep breath in and out. One more time. Take a deep breath in and out. Just relax your body, relax your mind, drop all the heavy baggage from your shoulder and drop your shoulder weight down. Now start chanting with me. How many of you felt very peaceful? How many of you felt that some energies were really been uplifted to a better energy? Yeah? Fantastic. Thank you. Thank you for doing it. Okay? You can also burn incense sticks. Many times we prefer our curtains closed, our windows closed so that the dirt doesn't come in or whatever. But we really need to allow the wind and light to come in, right? So we can open up the windows, we can have the curtains on the side, and during the whole daytime, you can do all that in the evening when the mosquitoes come, again you can shut it. Okay? You can also put incense sticks. Take a nice fragrance, whichever is suitable to your and making sure that each and every corner of the house has been spread with that incense sticks smoke. Okay? Even you can use the sage. If you can use that sage, will do the need.
What is
So,
sage?
it's a black color का धूप which you get. Google भी बहुत अच्छा आता है. That is also very good. Okay, you can do that. Also, people who like to light kapoor, camphor, it's the best to remove the negative energy. Best. Even if you will take Lakshmi ji's stand, हाँ जी,
धूप के ऊपर कपूर रखना, तो वो बहुत अच्छा उसका
Smell.
perfect. You can do the combination also. Dhoop and kapoor. You can do singly also. You can do combination burning also, lighting also. And you can light kapoor in the evening time when between 7 to 8 हम लोग बोलते हैं लक्ष्मी जी आते हैं. You can light that time kapoor and just pray intentionally. Thank you God for blessing me with a lovely day. Okay? Thank you for giving me all the abundance. Keep thanking. है ना? हम लोग इधर आते हैं, इतना रोटेरियन को हम लोग थैंक यू करते हैं, वो करते हैं. गॉड को भी थैंक यू बोलना चाहिए because he is the provider for all of us. He is the creator. We are co-creators, right? So we have to do lot of thank you to them as well as to whoever who has been supporting to us. Okay? You can put sea salt in the earthen container, मिट्टी के container में, in the 4 corners, and throw away that salt next day. The sea salt has a tendency to absorb all the negativity.
Even we clean the floor with the
You can
sea
clean
salt
the
water also.
floor also, and if you feel something which is not okay to you, you are feeling very restless, you are not okay within yourself, you are getting too much angry, irritated. Maybe it is because of some sort of environmental people's behavior, whatever. But this thing also will take care of the auric energy, environmental energy. So you can do both. You can work with your own self as well as you can work with your at least the environment. Yeah. Now, have you ever known that all frequency, all emotions has got the frequency? Like what we say, we create the energy, right? Because of our mind. What is mind? Our thoughts and emotions. Simple words. Okay? And each frequency each emotions has got the frequency. So there is a whole chart which has been given here that shame has got 20 frequency and enlightenment has got 700 to 1000 frequency. Okay, now I have a pendulum dowsing. Okay, I dowse and I can find out what is the person's energy. I can also find out what is the person's trapped emotion inside which is really not allowing him to progress. There are auras, there are aura softwares, there are cameras, there are a lot of other stuff. But this is the simplest tool with less. So if you all want to learn pendulum dowsing, you are most welcome because it will help you in every area of your life. And that will answer you any goddamn question to yourself. Okay. So what I have found out, this global frequency of the earth is now at 280. What does that mean? What does that mean?
Between neutrality and belief.
Yeah, but we have to raise ourselves from there to love, which is at 500, and then to enlightenment, that is at 1000, isn't it? And how do we do that? First we have to let go all those negative emotions. Each one would be little angry every day, yes or no?
Yes.
Each one would have some sort of fears, yes or no? Each one would be a bit sad inside. Yes. Each one would be having some sort of pride or ego. ये मेरे साथ क्यों नहीं बात करे, मैं भी उसके साथ नहीं बात करेगा, ये है वो है, इसने क्यों ऐसा बोला, इसने क्यों, होता है ना सब लोग की जिंदगी. तो सबको थोड़ा बहुत तो कुछ तो नेगेटिव इमोशन होएगा ही, right? So we have to let go that emotion. How do we let go? There is a magical wand. Do you want that? Who wants that magical wand? I'm going to give you. Fantastic. So we have to use the word POC-POD. What is it? P-O-C-P-O-D. POC-POD. Okay. So today, suppose I'm very angry that I did not reach in time somewhere and I beat up myself. Why I did this? Why I did not started early? All that. Okay. So what I have to do? I have to first get aware of that thought. Second, I have to get aware of that's a negative emotion associated with that thought. And third, I have to use the magical wand. And I have to use this magical wand with a question in front. And that question will be, how can I let go this anger? Pok pot. Okay, so I'm giving you all 1 minute today, now, and you have to just get present and aware to what is the negative emotion of today's, of yours, and you have to put it in the question, how can I let go this emotion? Pok pot. Start. Your time starts now for a minute. You can do it for 2 emotions also. You can do it for 3 emotions also. How can I be more and more peaceful? Pok pot. How can I let go my anger? Pok pot. How can I let go my ego? Pok pot. How can I let go my sadness? Pok pot.
What about confusion?
How can I let go my confusion? Pok pot. How can I have more clarity?
Because
Pok
it's
pot.
not written there, so I thought.
It's in between few. Okay. So let's see why we get tired. Anybody knows why we get tired? Actually, we are infinite beings, but we get tired, right? Why we get tired? Any idea?
Stress.
We eat food. We have eaten right food, right amount. Why we get tired? Why we get drained? What is the reason? What is the aura? What is mental energy, psychic energy, emotion? Do you ever think about it? Whenever we are doing some job which is out of force, out of compulsion, out of no choice of ours, out of because we have to, that drains our energy. Okay? So first of all, everything what we are doing, as such we have to do. Might as well do it with the full heart. Might as well do it with the full smile. Might as well do it with the... So what are you all going to do every day? You are going to go stand in front of the mirror and tell yourself, I'm my own best friend. Give a high five to the next person. You are your own best friend. And every day you are going to smile when you are looking in the mirror. Why? Because to friends you always smile, right? So to mirror you are going to do what? You are my own best friend. Smile. Every morning when you are going to brush the teeth, you are going to do this. Because we don't know how to love our own self. And all ladies, you all know how to love everyone on the earth. But you all don't know how to love your own self, right? So it's high time we have to love our own selves. Even guys.
Today is the greatest day. Today will be the greatest day.
Today is the greatest day. That can be more than million affirmations. Okay, whatever suits your mind, put it in the present tense, put it in the manner which is in the present tense, not on the continuous tense, and just say, suppose I don't want to get angry. So don't say I don't want to get angry. What is the opposite of anger?